So in terms of this particular regulation that what we're trying to achieve is essentially putting in measures to control the manufacture, which is production, and distribution of medical devices in Zimbabwe. So what we notice currently, we are not regulating medical devices in general. We only regulate condoms and gloves, but we seek to extend that scope. But with this, in particular, with this bill that we are discussing, this SI rather that we are discussing, what we are seeking to achieve is then to expand that scope and go on to regulate other things such as syringes. You look at needles. We're looking at even glucometers. We're looking at even things like as complicated as heart pacemakers, for instance. So that's what we are seeking to achieve. And what we think this will do is, if we are able to regulate, which is we're essentially going to assess, that is, look at the quality of the devices that are going to be produced locally by the manufacturers who take up this task. And once they manufacture and we assess and certify their quality, these devices will give confidence to the people in Zimbabwe that whatever devices they are using are of good quality, are safe, they are also very effective and are able to perform the intended task. In addition, we think once we have confidence with these devices, the manufacturers themselves can actually then export the same devices for use in other countries, because as a regulator we are also recognized to be having to be performing at acceptable quality by the World Health Organization. So we think if we are able to ascertain the safety and quality of these devices and confirm that they are suitable, then other countries as well may be able to use them, which is beneficial as well as we look at exporting more of these medical devices, in addition of course to having our patients benefit from them.